Mua, Rungu, Dem, and Boch. These four brothers come from the ancestor called Chwanya, who is the brother to Chwonyo. That one makes Konyango Rabala factor, and nobody is allowed to cross to marry within the brothers' homestead. Traditionally, Luos, we do not accept that. Now, when you are found doing it, when a mature new guy is ready to get married, then he marries a lady. The lady's home place will be asked, the lady will be interrogated. Now, for example, if the lady comes from Kanyamua and is married by a man from Kadem, that marriage will be cancelled since they are cousins. Now, here are the fields. These are the fields occupied by the Chwanya's family, who is the younger brother to Chwonyo. That makes the Konyango Rabala factor. Sheikh Makbul Yusuf Karim Jerry Odhiambo, collecting the Luo archaeological artifacts within Nyatike sub-county in Migori County within Kanyamua village.